Look who's here. What is your name?
Shirley,
Where are you from?
Colombia.
¿Qué estás aquí?
Por ti, ¿por quién más?
No me grites así. Why you like Tony?
Yeah.
Why?
Why you like Tony?
¿Por qué? Like,
Porque yes. Becca yes.
because yes. Very good. Very good. This is bedtime stories English 101 with Tony. See?
Yes.
Did you like Tony's adventures?
Uh-huh.
Travel adventures? You like? Which ones are your favorites?
¿Y eso qué es?
¿Cuáles son tus favoritos?
My favorite.
My favorite
My
is
favorite.
is
¿De qué más?
ah,
De viaje.
travel, viaje.
My favorite.
Favorite
my
travel
favorite
adventure
adventure
is
Hacienda Nápoles.
wow. Hacienda Nápoles.
Hipopótamos.
Hippopotamus, oh yes. Wait until you guys see this video that we got of the wild cocaine hippos. Pablo Escobar's Hacienda Nápoles. 3 times going to Hacienda Nápoles, me, finally, I saw hippos in the wild. Salvaje. Not the zoological hippos. Subscribe below. Hit the bell so you get notified every time we upload a video. Thumbs up, please. Please help me grow my channel. Please, please, please. Listen.
Please, please, please.
Help.
Subscribe.
Comment.
Like.
Comment, like. No, that's down. You want
Like.
up. Yes. Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you, my loveds. Mwah.
Good morning. Look
Good
who's
morning, suscriptores.
subscribe. Please. Look who's here.
Subscribe, please.
Adoro como eres con tu niña. She just finished talking with her
Claro, ese es el amor de mi vida.
4-year-old baby girl on the phone, and I just love the way she chats with her. And she just said, clearly, she's the love of my life. Yo pensaba que yo era el amor de tu vida. I thought I was the love of your life.
No. Mi bebé.
Okay, el segundo.
Ajá.
The second one. Or tercero, third, fourth.
El quinto.
Tu mamá. El fifth.
El quinto.
Tu mamá, tu abuela.
Te voy a decir cuántos amores de vida tengo. Mi bebé, mi mamá, mi
Baby,
abuela,
mom,
mi abuelo.
A grandmother,
Y tú.
grandfather, and no tu
Y
mamá.
en you. Sí,
And me.
escucha.
Tu mamá es después. Sí, ya, tercero.
Segunda. No, escucha. Mi bebé.
Baby.
Mi mamá.
Mom.
Mi abuela.
Grandma.
Mi abuelo.
Grandfather. Y yo.
Y en you.
Wow, and you. Wow, que
Que él me conoció con familia.
I met you with family. Yes, when you date or marry a Latina, you marry the family. Cuando tienes una novia latina o te casas con una latina, tú te casas con la familia.
Y en otros países no hacen.
No, la familia que
Ni quieren la familia.
fuera, nada.
Se llevan mal con la familia.
No, también no se lleva mal, pero no es tan
No son
dominante. It's not as dominant in the United States.
Pero
Somos más independientes. We're more independent. We don't have a strict. It also depends on the family. Some very controlling, and others very independent. It depends, but mostly, la familia no se mete en la relación. The family
pero
does
yo
not.
creo que en este caso yo es porque tengo la niña.
Sí, porque tienes la niña because you have a child. También porque auxilio las personas de Latinoamérica, mayor parte, ¿no? Mayor personas comparadas a los Estados Unidos no tienen la plata, they don't have the money to be independent. Entonces usan el gringo yo para sostenerlas, to sustain them, to help them. ¿Entiendes? Por ejemplo, yo me caso contigo. Tú vas a usar la plata mía para ayudar a tu familia. Y en Estados Unidos, no. Porque son más independientes financieramente.
Ah, ok.
Financially in the US, they're more independent. In Latinoamérica, porque es, la dominancia del dólar domina, allí, ¿entiendes lo que estoy diciendo?
Sí.
Es verdad.
Yes.
How did you sleep?
Ah,
How you sleep?
bien.
Tell my fans in English. Good.
Good, my
Good.
friends.
Well, I slept well.
Good, I slept.
Good is bueno. Y well is bueno también.
Good, well.
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 No
Well.
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 No es well.
Well. Good.
This William.
William.
No William. No William. William. Es William.
William. Es que,
Yeah.
es que tú tienes la voz muy gruesa, entonces
Sí,
se escucha como
I have a,
y es
a thick voice. Yes, I'm a man. Yeah, I'm a man. Uy. Wow.
William.
So we're here video editing. I'm editing myself in Hawaii eating tuna. Delicious tuna with...
Hoy me va a cocinar.
Today I'm gonna cook for my baby. So our plan for today is we're gonna finish some work. She's editing from the bed. I'm on the desk, and then we're gonna head out to the store. I'm gonna buy some food. I'm gonna cook for her, and then I think maybe if we find a nice dress, I'm gonna buy you a dress, un vestido, and we'll head out if we have time before she goes home to pick up her baby from daycare. We're gonna go and film her in her beautiful dress at a castle that's over here in Medellin. It's another spring day in Medellin. It's like Groundhog Day here. The weather. All right, we're here in Laureles. We are doing some fast walking as I get my exercise. And we're gonna go shopping at Éxito. Maybe stop off in a store and buy her a dress. If the prices are good, it's cheap enough. And I'm gonna cook for my baby. I'm gonna cook for you.
Cook for you. Cook
Yeah,
for you.
cook, cocinar for you. I am going to cook for you. What do you like to eat? ¿Qué te gusta comer?
Quiero camarones hoy.
Camarones. ¿Cómo se llama camarones en inglés?
No sé.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
I want to eat shrimp.
I want to eat shrimp. ¿Qué significa? Quiero comer camarones.
Uh-huh. I want to eat shrimp.
I want to eat shrimp.
Okay. I want es yo quiero.
I want, yo quiero.
Eat.
Eat.
Comer.
Comer.
Shrimp.
I want.
All right. We're done shopping. We just came back. I bought $73 worth of food. I got her $17 worth of dress. Was at the kitchen upstairs. We're gonna go cook. Thing we're gonna do is boil some pasta. You going to help me?
Sí.
Okay. Lavar las manos. Chop the garlic. Okay. Mi asistente. No. Chop. Chop.
Ah, ok.
¿Sabes qué chop?
Así lo cortas tú.
Ajá, sí.
Bebé, pero déjame hacerlo también a mi manera, ¿ok?
No.
Yo lo
Escucha.
tripo y lo parto.
Escucha. Un chef italiano, ¿cómo se corta el ajo?
A
¿Ok?
ver, hágalo pues como
Así,
chef
y
italiano.
no cortas las uñas. Así, mira. Mira. Primero voy a hacer un grano, ¿ok? Lo cortas así. Después así. Y después lo haces así.
Ah, pues yo no sé hacer eso, amor. Yo así chiquitito.
Mira,
no sé.
el cuchillo contra el dedo sin cortar el dedo. Fininho, fino. ¿Ok? Hazlo así. Pero también, si quieres hacer como lo haces, también me gusta así. Ok. Alright, so I've got the water boiling. I'm going to put the penne pasta in. My shrimp are defrosting. We're going to start the base with garlic and tomatoes. I got washing the cherry tomatoes. I'm going to make sauce from scratch. Alright guys, I got the water boiling or almost boiling. I'm going to throw in some salt This is for the pasta. And a little bit of olive oil from Spain. So the oil de oliva, so that it doesn't, pasta doesn't stick together as much. I mean, it's gonna stick. I'll start. Throw in the pasta once the penne. Make sure it's penne. Once the water is boiling, give it a stir so it doesn't stick. Sí, es cherry.
Quiero comer todos.
Cherry tomatoes.
Quiero comer todos estos tomates.
¿Cómo se llama la receta de Tony? Orgasmic shrimp and pasta. Penne. ¿Y qué es penne en Colombia, en español? It's a bad word, actually, penne. All right, see if we have a good angle there. She's cutting them up really nice. I also want to eat them. And
Si por mí fuera me los como todos, porque están dulces.
yes, I'm also going to put in a couple of these as well. I'm going to wash them. So I should have bought twice as much shrimp, and that was expensive shrimp, and it was $12. I am going to start the base. So the start of the pasta base is olive oil, garlic, lots of garlic. Every Italian dish must have olive oil and garlic. And I like to tell you something. I don't like to cook with plastic. This will give you cancer, the plastics that are in here. So I like to cook with wood or stainless steel if you don't have wood. Wood is preferred. All right, we're gonna get this going. So we're gonna put half of the tomatoes and half. Normally with a bigger pan, I'd put the whole thing in there. How's the pasta? I think this is done. It's done. You don't want to overcook your pasta. You want to make sure it's al dente. And I've overcooked the pasta. I'm really, really upset. We want to reduce the tomatoes. I wanted to get that pasta out of the hot water so it would stop cooking. That's why I was rushing. So we want these tomatoes to reduce. I want to taste the pasta.
Ben penne.
Penne al dente. Oh, it's perfect. I actually didn't overcook it. I was very afraid that I would overcook it, so it's al dente. So one way to cook pasta al dente. Al dente is in Italian. Dente is teeth. Is you throw the spaghetti up on a ceiling. Just throw it. And if it sticks, it's cooked al dente. All right, as you can see, it's getting really nice. The sauce is starting to pink. It's getting reduced, which is nice. Again, a bigger pot would be greater, a bigger pan. I usually like to do this. I like to do multiple meals on it. So is add a little bit more garlic. Not too much, the powder. Never enough garlic in an Italian kitchen. And then the other thing I'd like to do is add pepper. And then salt. Here we go, salt. Not too much, you don't want to put too much salt. And then mix it all up. Get a nice reduction going. As you see, the reduction is almost done. This is when you throw in your shrimp. And you want to cook shrimp no more than like 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. So as you see, we're gonna cook the shrimp just a few minutes. I put the cold shrimp in. I think this is done. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. You put the pasta on a dish. You see the pasta didn't stick together, so that's good. And what we're gonna do is, so now I need a spoon because this one's broken. And it melts in your mouth. You gotta get all that garlic that's at the bottom there. Tony's orgasmic shrimp. All right, she loves it. Let me see how it came out. You get some shrimp, a little bit of some pasta, a little bit of tomato. Need a bigger spoon. See how that is. Oh my God. The shrimp is al dente. You just bite into it and you can hear the crunch. If you don't hear a crunch when you bite into a shrimp, then your shrimp is overcooked. Don't overcook the shrimp. You go to Italian kitchen jail. Don't go to Italian kitchen jail. And make sure your penne is always al dente. All right, guys. Normally you have this with white wine. So I'm doing a beer, I don't have the wine. And she's drinking water.
Ya esto tan rico.
Wow. Entonces yo sí sé cocinar, ¿no? Voy a ser un marido lindo que cocina, ¿no?
Un marido lindo que cocina. Y que pone a lavar los platos. Pero
No.
bien.
Hay una regla en la cocina de Tony. Yo cocino, tú limpias.
Ah, ok.
La otra cosa que puedes hacer es no comer la casca, ponerlas al lado.
A mí me gusta todo.
I thought the shrimp wasn't enough, but it actually was. And there's 400 grams of shrimp. That's almost half a kilo. All right, so we need a guinea pig. Milena is gonna try it. Esmeralda no come orgasmic shrimp porque tiene alérgica. Ok, primera vez.
Vamos a probar.
Ajá. Ok. ¿Te salió un orgasmo?
Delicioso.
Now I have a bunch of penne and pasta. So I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna do the robalo, which is sea bass, and put it right over the top of the pasta. Delicious. Normally I like to do the fish with a bed of lettuce, but I figure I was gonna have extra penne left over.